How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Samsung Odyssey G5 sound not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have plugged the cable straight onto the back of your monitor. So in here we have something like the headset icon, we have HDMI, DPI, the display cable, and this power cable right here. You want to make sure that you plug something like your earphones or headset onto the 3.5mm jack. And then right after it enables us to use the audio settings for our Samsung Odyssey. Now, right after, you then want to head over to the sound output. It's going to be at the bottom of your Windows taskbar right here, or toolbar or sidebar. I don't know what's the exact term for this bar right here, but simply once inside, you want to click this select a sound output and just make sure that you have select your monitor. So in my case, it's going to be something like the 24E3. And then right after, you then want to make sure that you have turned the volume all the way up, making sure that it is unmuted. In some other cases, it will say this X icon right beside the volume icon right here. Just make sure that it has these 3 lines right beside your speaker, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.